Welcome back to Pree Dis. Of course, right now we're still here at the National Arena where PCJ and NHT going head to head. Right now, let's get into our Pree Dis Sports segment where we're talking about the Business House Netball Association. Seen a match where Wisynco and NCB played head-to-head kickoff competition. Of course, we're still here at National Arena. I'm going to go and check the match now. So Pree Dis. The netball match, you know, I can't do it. Oh, the camera come on. Me call about. Alright, so I don't know, we still at the National Arena. We're with a new team, you know, Bureau of Standards. Want to say the name, Bureau of Standards? Yeah. Alright. Now we want to know, NHT and PCJ play. Who you root for?
NHT.
And them will not bring?
Yes.
So how come we not bring NHT? So now make it sound like them are going to win the entire competition.
We should have out there.
So talk to me about that. I make sure no out there. So what?
Because I say things, but I wish that out there.
So you never play good or what? You lose to them or what?
Circumstances.
What kind of circumstances? You get beaten?
No, it's kind of sellout thing.
Them still not talking, I still don't know how to go on. But right now we're going to get into our live top 10 singles chart. Which tune out this you feel right now? Which tune out this hot?
After what I know.
You don't know the tune? How come she don't know the tune? Which tune out the hot? Yeah. Me don't know. They don't come from Jamaica. But anyway, we'll get into our live top 10 singles chart. Pree Dis.
If you would listen to the voices of the angels calling you, trying to guide you and see you through. So you better listen. Don't get caught up in the evil pressures of life.
I'm an insecurity. Too many stand in front of me. I'm an insecurity. As we reach at the bar, them attacks and tear me. I'm an insecurity. Champion done. Why them drinking up my Hennessy? I'm a phone card. Banana. Chips and me say, cash for gold. Any piece of gold, me have my any piece of gold ready. Phone card. Banana. Chips and me say, cash for gold.
The only man she want, yeah. Our man says she very special, yeah. Very special. Like a dry line, me nah lie. So I'm up on the front line, nah lie. He will black, girl them fat, go on. Bad when you tune them drop. One just chop and bust her head back. When treat vibes bust up in her head top. Oh God, party mad. Girl them a say Gaza party bad. Girl that's sweet.
Take me life. Want take me life. Bad mind. Them want take me life. Want take me life. Want take me life. Bad mind. Road and them set dash overboard. Do road and cut like a samurai sword. Do road and come back with the bag load. Do road like a mistake the code. Do road and them set dash overboard. Do road and cut like a samurai sword. Do road and come back with the bag.
don't let me cheat on my girlfriend. Cause as far as I can see, she loves only me. Oh Lord, don't let me cheat on my girlfriend.
Dash for your road and some boy still a place cover and I don't want none. Put me hand on the Bible, me swear to your honor. Believe me, I gal over gun. International gal is a woman and me yard in a bed, so my sleep and rum. No, me no watch man pants.
She says her destiny, fi get next to me. This a girl I want flex with me, rest with me, nothing less sissy. So me give her the best of me. The girl I want like a gypsy. One more shot and she get tipsy. She have the it.
And that's how we bring the curtains down on yet another exciting episode of Pree Dis. I must say congratulations to NHT for winning this competition today. It was yet another wicked turnout. Now the ladies, they're introducing themselves from the Business House Netball Association, the Miss BHNA, and I hope that the proud winner walk out successfully tonight. Now of course my name is Casmar, leaving here at the National Arena. Remember to hit us up on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and yeah, you can leave comments when you type us in and search for us on YouTube. Of course, it's at Pree Dis Show, at Casmar Z. See you guys next week.